Hello and welcome to a new episode of Korean Grammar for Beginners. Today we are learning one of the most versatile particles in Korean, uro and ro. The particle ro is used for several purposes. Number one, it is used to show the direction or destination, and it has the meaning toward or to. Secondly, it is used to indicate the means, the method, or the tool, and it has the meaning of by, with, using. Thirdly, it is used to show the reason or the cause and has the meaning of because of. And furthermore, it is also used to show the selection or the role, and it has the meaning of as in the role of. Number one, ro can be used to show direction or destination, as in the following examples. 오른쪽으로 가세요. 친구 집으로 가는 중이에요. 이 길로 쭉 가면 공원이 나와요. 2. 로 is used to say how or with what something is done, as in the following examples. 지하철로 왔어요. I came by subway. 연필로 써요. I write with a pencil. 이메일로 연락 주세요. Please contact me by email. 휴대폰으로 사진을 찍었어요. I took the photo with my phone. 3. 로 is used to show the reason or cause of something, as in the examples. 비로 인해 수업이 취소됐어요. 감기로 학교에 못 갔어요. I couldn't go to school because of a cold. 실수로 문서를 지웠어요. I deleted the file by mistake. 로 is used to show a role or a selection, as in the following examples. 그를 리더로 뽑았어요. We selected him as the leader. 저는 발표자로 참여했어요. I participated as a presenter. 그 배우는 악당 역할로 나왔어요. That actor appeared in the role of a villain. Last but not least, we use the ro particle to show the material something is made of, as in the following sentence. 금으로 만든 반지예요. This ring is made of gold. Next, let's see how the particle ro is used in some real-life dialogues. 학교에 어떻게 가요? 버스로 가요. 이건 뭐로 만들었어요? 종이로 만들었어요. 도서관은 어디예요? 저쪽 길으로 쭉 가세요. 이 문장을 한글로 써주세요. 네, 알겠습니다. Let's take a look at a few more sample sentences making use of the 로 particle. 1. 지하철로 학교에 갔어요. 2. 이 칼로 사과를 잘랐어요. 3. 오른쪽으로 가세요. 4. 저를 대표자로 뽑았어요. 5. 비로 인해 행사가 취소되었어요. 6. 나무로 만든 의자예요. 7. 이 문제는 영어로 대답하세요. 8. 저 문으로 나가면 됩니다. 9. 연필로 쓰지 마세요. 10. 김치로 요리를 만들 거예요. Now here's your chance to test your knowledge and see how well you can use the uro particle. 1. Which sentence correctly uses uro for direction? That's right. B. 친구 집으로 갔어요. 2. Which sentence uses 로 to express a tool or method? That's right. B. 이메일로 연락했어요. 3. Which sentence uses 로 to express a reason? That's right. A. 감기로 병원에 갔어요. Fill in the blanks. Write 로 or 로. 4. 연필로 숙제를 썼어요. 5. 왼쪽으로 갔어요. 6. 버스로 학교에 갑니다. 7. 저를 대표자로 뽑았어요. 8. 실수로 문서를 삭제했어요. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. You can also leave me your thoughts about it in the comment section below. You can also subscribe to my channel, but not before hitting the notifications bell. Hope to see you in the next episode. 다음에 봐요.